Hi everyone. So the purpose of this video is to talk about data and its purpose. ABA makes a big deal out of data, and so I just want to talk about what that means and what it looks like to apply. Um, I think one of the common misconceptions about data is it has to be complicated and time consuming and stuff like that. And the truth is it doesn't. One of the rules of ABA is parsimony, and what that means is things need to be as simple as possible while still being effective. So simple data is best. So from seeing data put in action, I really get excited about data where the line therapists only take approximately 5 minutes per shift to fill out the data, that the data is set up so simply that they can do it quickly and efficiently. When line therapists are taking 20 minutes to fill out data and it's interrupting the flow of therapy, that's too much data. And so I really want people to understand that data needs to be simple. I've asked quite a few seniors how long it takes them to create their data sheets and things like that, and and it shouldn't take you long. And so I'm hoping that people aren't taking more than 30 minutes um, every couple of weeks on creating new data sheets. Sometimes there's exceptions to those rules when we're analyzing complicated situations. Sometimes we have kids on VB-MAP or ABLES who are mastering goals quickly, so you're constantly updating their data sheets with new goals because of that. So those are exceptions to the rules. But a lot of times you really don't have to update the data sheets that often, because you're working on the same goals and you just need to make sure that there's enough slots for the therapist to take data in, and those same goals are going to stay until they get mastered out. So I just want to make sure everybody understands that your data doesn't have to be complicated. It should be straightforward. It should be quick. It shouldn't take a lot of time for your therapist to fill out. And you shouldn't have to spend a lot of time on it. When you go to analyze the data, hopefully you have it set up in a way that you can look at it quickly, like 2 minutes or less, and your data is set up visually so you know instantly where your client's at, and that tells you all about what happened when you weren't there. So that's one of the major advantages of data. It tells you what's going on when you're not there, so you can analyze patterns, you can see if you need to change therapy, or if your programs are working or not working, things like that. Our experiences aren't honest with us about what's happening. And what I mean by that is sometimes we can't see progress when there is some, or we see progress where there isn't. And so if we're documenting facts and if our data is accurate, which the more simple our data is, the easier it is to be accurate, then we have facts to make decisions on rather than our impression of things. And then we're going to be more effective. So data can be useful to us if we make it simple and straightforward. So I hope this video is helpful to you in understanding the goal with what we're trying to do with data, and that it doesn't have to be overly complicated. All right, thanks for listening.